We are having a picnic. We are having a picnic. She is drinking coconut water. She is drinking coconut water. The beach looks beautiful. The beach looks beautiful. They are riding a swan boat. They are riding a swan boat. He is throwing a frisbee. He is throwing a frisbee. She is building a sandcastle. She is building a sandcastle. Children are playing in the sand. Children are playing in the sand. She is collecting seashells. She is collecting seashells. She is relaxing in a hammock. She is relaxing in a hammock. We are playing with a beach ball. We are playing with a beach ball. I love spending time at the beach. I love spending time at the beach. They are playing in the water. They are playing in the water. She is riding a boat. She is riding a boat. We are eating snacks. We are eating snacks. He is playing beach volleyball. He is playing beach volleyball. They are taking a group photo. They are taking a group photo. They are surfing in the ocean. They are surfing in the ocean. We are relaxing together. We are relaxing together. They are enjoying their holiday. They are enjoying their holiday. She is holding an umbrella. She is holding an umbrella. They are chasing each other. They are chasing each other. We are watching sunset. We are watching sunset. I am walking on the beach. I am walking on the beach. She is wearing sunglasses. She is wearing sunglasses. They are sitting under an umbrella and eating watermelon. They are sitting under an umbrella and eating watermelon. He is making a sand house. He is making a sand house. She is playing with waves. She is playing with waves. I am running on the beach. I am running on the beach. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. I'm flying a kite. I'm flying a kite.